If you've ever wanted to share a CapCut template with friends, teammates, or maybe your creative community, but you're not quite sure how to grab the right link, today's video is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the step-by-step process to copy a template link in CapCut, and you'll also understand how to set up the sharing settings so that anyone with the link can access your awesome creation. Let's dive straight in. First things first, go ahead and open up the CapCut app on your device. You want to make sure you're logged into the account where your template is saved. Give it a few seconds if it needs to load up. I know sometimes these apps can take a moment, especially if you've got a bunch of projects saved. Once you're in, look for the Recent Projects section. This area is like your creative dashboard, showing you all the templates and videos you've worked on lately. It's super handy because your latest work is always right at the top. Scroll through until you find the template you want to share. If you're working on something new and it doesn't appear here, you might need to save or export it first. But 9 times out of 10, if it's recent, you'll see it easily. Now, here's a detail that people often miss. To access the sharing options for your template, don't just click directly on the project. Instead, look for the small icon marked with 3 dots. It's usually to the right of your project, almost like a vertical ellipsis. Clicking these 3 dots opens up a menu of extra actions, almost like a hidden toolbox. If you've ever used other social apps, this will feel familiar. It's the same spot where you usually find editing, deleting, or export options. From that menu, tap on Share. This is your gateway to generating a link for the current template. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes the wording might change slightly depending on your CapCut version or your device, but it's almost always called Share. Here's an important step. Before you actually copy the link, you'll see a question that asks, "Who can open link?" This is a privacy setting, and it really matters if you want others to access your template. By default, CapCut might restrict the sharing, so double-check this option. Tap on it, and you'll get a few choices for who can open the link. To make your template accessible to anyone, whether they're your collaborators or viewers from halfway around the world, select anyone with the link. It's just like choosing public versus private in other apps. This tiny extra step saves you from a common headache, where someone tries your link and hits a permission wall. Once you've set it so anyone with the link can access, go ahead and hit Copy. CapCut will confirm that your link has been copied to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into messages, emails, your social media, or drop it into a group chat. Just remember, if you're sharing with the public, double-check that your template doesn't contain anything you wouldn't want everyone to see. Transparency is key, but privacy should always be respected. And that's it. You've just unlocked an easy way to share your creative work on CapCut with anyone you choose. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about CapCut or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on tips to make your edits smoother and your projects shine. Thanks for watching.